So today I cut all this down, so overgrown. So now I have a nice gap up along the side of the garden that I can drive my lawn tractor up along the side here, or yeah, just use it as a, because look at that, eh? Wow, what a lot of land we just opened up there. So that's pretty cool. Tomorrow I'll be dragging it all up into the bush here. I'll probably just pile it up in there. Here's the girly girls. They haven't escaped today, so that worked. Really wicked. There you go. Probably do their water today. Look at the garden today, and now it's just starting to rain, which is kind of nice. We watered, but my wife did up this today, like a teepee kind of. It's going to have beans or something in it, and she did up a bunch of these pots like that. Did another garden down below too, apparently. Well, not apparently, that's what. Yeah, so it's kind of nice. It's just starting to sprinkle a little. I'll water the garden. I'm going to do these birds water today. And really, eh? You're really squawking her up. Girls? Yeah, they really are tore it apart in here, eh? I don't see any eggs. Hey? That's silver. Let's see. You're squawking about. Hey, girl? A pretty girl. We used to have two of those. We used to have two of those too. The golden. That's what a beautiful bird that is. But two of them died. They die, sadly. But I'm gonna start making my. We gotta get another rooster, and then we're gonna look at that. Then I'm gonna start making our own birds again. I hope that thing isn't like overflowing, is it?